Hello, hello. Welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Forgive me, I have to put something on my cabinet ledges. My cabinets don't go all the way to the ceiling. So, like I did for Christmas, you saw it, I'm leaving up the rectangular wreaths. I absolutely love these boxwoods. You know, I had to build them up a little bit higher, and I still need to go a little bit higher so you can see more of the bottom of these beautiful boxwood wreaths that I bought from a department store that didn't want to use them anymore. Hooray, hooray. So, guys, I'm in the attic and I'm purging right now and I'm using whatever I have. I have these cranes, they're gold. I wish they were fatter. I wish they were also in color. I've got these ginger jars. You've seen me use these giant ginger jars all over the house. Well, I measured out the space from the cabinets underneath the cabinets and I grabbed a few of the faux greens that I have tons of. Yes, sorry, I'm not taking the advice of the professionals, getting rid of faux greenery. I love it. It makes me have nature inside all year long. I cut up some of those larger picks. All these things are from Hobby Lobby and they are old. So you keep your clippings when you cut them small and you can use them again. I put a couple of those little, shall I say, bundles in the middle and voila, I needed a little bit more height also. So foam from an existing item that I ordered that I kept in a box. And look, I made a faux arrangement with them just on top of the cabinet ledges. I'm getting a little bit more height from those greenery. Plus, I wanted those ginger jars to look like they were sitting in a garden. You know, I'm bringing a little bit of spring in a little bit early. And voila, the cabinet ledges are done. All that's left is to polish them. I told you guys, I've been in the attic and I purchased these shelves from Walmart. Got rid of the plastic ones that were up there. They were starting to crack, and I think I caught this one just in time, or else I was going to lose a lot of stuff. Now, this shelving unit is supposed to extend 72 inches. I modified the setup so that it is structurally sound and at a comfortable height for me. Remember, I painted the chandelier during the holiday season. I've got another update to that chandelier coming your way. So all of you Mackenzie Childs lovers, you are absolutely going to love what I do to finish off this chandelier. I can't wait to finish that up. Now, back in the garage, these two chairs, they're out there. I have pulled them out. I'm looking for a crazy kind of fabric to put on these chairs, gonna strip them down, rough them up a little bit. I'm so excited to get back to doing this. I know my hand will hurt a little bit, but guess what, guys? I'm gonna put that wrist strap on and we're just going to do it. I'm happier when I am creating what I love. That's what you have to look forward to in the next couple of weeks, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys again soon. I can't even talk, I'm so excited. I'll see you guys again soon. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.